Greetings. Welcome to Low-Key 3100, the art and science of map design, GeoVisualization. Joseph Kursky here with you. Glad you're here. Whenever I want maps, all I have to do is GIS. GIS, GIS. Ah, thanks. Really, no applause necessary. Week 6 readings start with metadata and standards, which sounds really boring, but it is oh so important and relevant. We then get into some legal issues surrounding the field of location intelligence. Then we look at how to represent data as surfaces in 2D and 3D. Then it is time to examine a few more maps and end with reflecting on the cartographic design process. Now, I love this Week 6 lab, and I hope you will too. It focuses on 2 activities: real-time weather analysis. So you're going to look at pressure and temperature and wind speed and direction globally. You're going to make a surface out of that. You're also going to predict weather. You're going to look at the influence of latitude, altitude, and coastlines, for example, on current weather. And then you're going to look at a real problem with citing a certain business or service, a business that provides a service in Chicago. Pets will be the theme. Well, why not? There's nothing you can't map and analyze. So we're going to do that. Those are our 2 main focus areas of our hands-on lab: weather and a business-related problem. You will then, as usual, take a short quiz, and that's a wrap for week 6. Thanks, and map on.